This is the fifth example. Fourth example is more or less similar to the third one, and third we have solved, recorded. Therefore, fourth I am giving you for the homework. Fifth problem I am going to explain. Okay. So problem number 5 of the same exercise given on page number 197. The problem says that there was an unbroken tree ABC, or you can say AC is the unbroken tree. The storm broke it and the tree top touches the ground, making an angle of 60 degrees with the horizontal. Wherever it is touching, that point is 20 meters away from the trunk of the tree. From the trunk of the tree, this point is 20 meters away. So the question says, what was the height of the original tree? Okay, what was the height of the original tree? That means you have to find out AB also and BD, because BD is the broken part. It is broken at point B. Okay, so the question is very clear. Let us see how can we solve. I wrote that suppose AC is the unbroken tree. It broke at B, G पे टूट गया. The broken part touches the ground at D. That is the explanation of the whole figure. As I said, keep it simple. Don't give too much of explanation. It will create problems for you. Okay. So it is touching the ground at D. AD, this distance is 20 meters. This is given. And the angle made by the broken part with the horizontal, that is this angle, angle ADB is equal to 60 degrees. That is given. We wrote that as number 1. Now, if I want to find out the height of the unbroken tree, that means I have to find out AB and BC, but BC is broken and touching the ground. That means I want to find out BD also. That means in this triangle, I have to find AB as well as BD. So, two sides we have to find out. So, this is the first problem in this chapter where we are calculating two sides of the right triangle. So, in order to calculate two sides, you will have to make use of two different trigonometric ratios. Keep that in mind. You have to find out two sides, so you will have to use two different trigonometric ratios. So, let us calculate one side at a time and make a decision which ratio is required. Okay. So, suppose I want to find out AB. Okay. So, in this triangle, this is the angle given. Angle B is given. With respect to this angle, this is the adjacent side. So, adjacent side is given to you 20 meters. And you want to find out opposite side. Okay. AB is the opposite side for this angle. So, adjacent side and opposite side are linked by tan. And therefore, I am applying tan ratio in triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, tan of angle D is equal to AB upon AD. Opposite side upon adjacent side. Angle D is 60 degrees. AD is equal to 20. Tan 60 is root 3. Cross multiply, you get 20 root 3. 20 root 3 meter. If the value of root 3 is given, put it. If not, keep it as it is. Now, in this problem, it is not given. So, we are keeping the value root 3 as it is. 20 root 3 we get after cross multiplication as the length of the side AB. So, the length of side AB is 20 root 3. Now, I want to find out BD. You can apply Pythagoras theorem also. If you get this side and this side, use Pythagoras theorem and calculate this. But by trigonometry, it becomes easier. Okay. So, now, again I am moving to angle D. Adjacent side is given. And now I want to find out the hypotenuse of the triangle. Adjacent side is given and hypotenuse I want to find out. Adjacent given, hypotenuse I want to find out. Adjacent and hypotenuse, they are linked by cos ratio. So we have written cos of angle D. यहाँ का angle हरदम यहाँ है. Forever. So cos of angle D I have to apply. So I am applying cos of angle D is equal to cos of this angle is equal to adjacent side upon hypotenuse. So AD upon BD. Okay. Put the values. Angle D is equal to 60 degrees. So cos 60 is equal to AD. AD is 20. So write 20 upon BD. But value of cos 60 is 1 by 2. From where do you get this value? This value is already there in the table, standard table. So cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to 20 divided by BD. Cross multiply BD is equal to 20 into 2, 40 meters. So the length of this part AB, which we calculated here, that came out to be 20 root 3, and length of the broken part, which we calculated here, came out to be 40. So this is 20 root 3 and this is 40. Therefore, the height of the unbroken tree is equal to AB plus BD. How much is AB? 20 root 3. How much is BD? 40. So 20 root 3 plus 40 meters is the height of the unbroken tree.